and pepper on them.
What flavors go with thyme?
Lemon.
What else?
We'll do. Get this. Get off this. Take this off.
What's inside there?
Nuts.
Nuts. Pepper nuts?
Oh. Perfect. Sprinkle the nuts on. Oops. I'm a really nice chef.
She's doing a pink show. Yeah. Let's do. Maybe put it in the corner over there.
Right here?
Right there. Some candles.
That'd be
See
cool.
what you think.
Yeah.
I brought it in. I was like, oh, it's kind of an empty corner. That'd be nice. What do you call your dish?
I call it the lemon lavender salty crisp lemon lavender.
Oh, and what are you gonna do? You have to cook it next in the oven?
Yes.
All right.
No, not in the oven.
What do you cook it in?
In the microwave.
Oh. For how long?
Probably 6 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Where are you putting those? In your hand?
Yeah.
Chef Amelia. Hooking it up.